The Catalina 275 Sport is an American sailboat that was designed by Jerry Douglas primarily for racing and day sailing. The boat is built by Catalina Yachts in the United States, with production starting in 2013. It remained in production in 2018. The Catalina 275 Sport is a small recreational keelboat, built predominantly of fiberglass. It has a fractional sloop rig, a plumb stem, an open reverse transom, an internally mounted spade-type rudder and a fixed fin keel or optional wing keel. The Catalina 275 Sport is a small recreational keelboat, built predominantly of fiberglass. It has a fractional sloop rig, a plumb stem, an open reverse transom, an internally mounted spade-type rudder and a fixed fin keel or optional wing keel. It is equipped with a carbon fiber reinforced polymer tiller and basic accommodations for sleeping, including a galley and an enclosed head. A retractable bowsprit is optional. The boat displaces 5,000 pounds, 2,268 kilograms, and carries 2,040 pounds, 925 kilograms, of lead ballast with the standard keel and 2,200 pounds, 998 kilograms, with the wing keel. The boat has a draft of 5.22 feet, 1.59 meters, with the standard keel fitted and 3.66 feet, 1.12 meters, with the optional shoal draft wing keel. The boat is fitted with a Yanmar 2Y1M5 14.6 horsepower, 11 kilowatts, diesel inboard engine, powering a sail-drive two-bladed propeller. The design has a hull speed of 6.91 knots, 12.80 kilometers per hour.